If you're seeing the SU-MD-HSH manifest error in Epic Games, don't worry. This is usually a launcher or connection issue, and in today's video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We're going to start with the simplest solutions first, then move into deeper troubleshooting so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fix tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Sometimes the launcher just needs a fresh start to clear temporary glitches that trigger manifest errors. Close it fully, not just minimize it, and make sure it's not still running in the background. On Windows, you can check the system tray and the task manager if needed, then open Epic Games Launcher again and see if the error is gone. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can cause Epic Games to fail while reading or downloading the manifest. Try switching to a more stable connection if possible, and if you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or restart it. You want to make sure the launcher can communicate properly with Epic servers without interruptions. Now, if you're using a VPN, disable it. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games authentication, store access, or manifest downloads. After turning it off, relaunch Epic Games and test the game again. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of users. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the launcher cache. Epic Games stores temporary files in a Webcache folder, and when those files become corrupted, they can cause login problems, loading issues, and manifest errors. To clear it, close the launcher first, then open the Epic Games Launcher folder on your computer and find the Webcache folder. Delete that folder, or if there are multiple Webcache folders, remove the temporary cache files inside them. After that, reopen Epic Games Launcher so it can rebuild fresh cache files automatically. Once you've done that, go to your library and verify the game files. This is an important step because the manifest error can happen when the launcher thinks some files are missing, broken, or out of sync. In your library, find the game that's giving you trouble. Click the three dots or the options menu and choose Verify. Let the launcher scan everything and replace anything that's damaged or missing. This can take a few minutes, so let the process finish completely before trying the game again. If none of those fixes work, then the last step is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. I know this sounds like a bigger step, but it can solve stubborn launcher corruption that nothing else can fix. Uninstall the launcher from your system, then download the latest version from Epic Games and install it again. After reinstalling, sign back in and check whether the SU-MD-HSH manifest error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue, especially clearing the Webcache or verifying game files. The key is to work through them in order, because the easiest fix is often the one that works. So to recap, restart the launcher, check your internet connection, disable your VPN, clear the Webcache folder, verify your game files, and reinstall Epic Games Launcher if needed. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Epic Games troubleshooting guides, PC fixes, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.